Yeah, it's Ottawa Blocker, and we're here at the Nature's Food Market, and here in big downtown Bakersfield area. Yeah, this is it right here. Oh, I didn't record. Yeah, there's my health class, so we're gonna be tasting some juices. All right, can you guys say hi one more time? I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, there's my health class. So yeah, we're gonna be trying that out right there, and it's the inside of it. So we're gonna be trying 2 of those out of the 6. See which one we like. So never been here. This is my first time. I'm gonna have a look around. This is so cool. Okay, we're inside. It's the first time I've been here. That is so amazing. That's her name up there. I don't know if you guys can barely read it, but I can't. Ooh, 50% off. But I'm not gonna buy it because I'm not a tea person. And then Tai Chi. Sorry, go ahead. I just haven't made a vlog in a while, so I decided. Wow, so this is where they make their juice. So again, this is my whole health class right here. Ew, look at that. And I don't think you can do this, only probably for a classroom wise, but you only get to choose 2 of those. You can choose how much, you can have as much as you want. But I wouldn't recommend doing that. This is only for classroom purposes. The shakes, this is the reason why they're doing this. But actually, I think you can, I'm not sure. Since we're here as a class, it's going to be for classroom only? I don't know. But that's what it comes, that's what it looks like, so I'm going to have to taste of it. also have a tractor or rocker. I don't know.
Now the company that makes the blenders say, oh, you should just blend carrots, blend everything, get more fiber. But in health, you're going to learn there's two kinds of fiber. Dietary fiber, which helps you to go to the bathroom. But the other fiber that we really need is actually found in juice. That's that microscopic fiber that helps clean out the arteries around your heart. We really need that fiber. So the benefit of juicing is important to get all those nutrients into your blood very quickly, but it's also cleaning those arteries all around the heart. Okay? So there's two kinds of fiber. Remember that. Dietary fiber helps you to go, but the other fiber helps you to live. Make sense?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So especially in America, that is one of the biggest problems. Heart disease is caused from the standard American diet. Okay? Not enough fiber. When you're juicing, you're getting the fiber. So actually, I talked to a group not too long, a couple of years ago, and it was a nursing class. And they wanted me to speak for 2 hours on the benefits of juicing. So these are juices. So I spoke for 2 hours, giving them a big, long background. Origin of food. Right? And then I told them in the last 5 minutes, juicing to a healthy person is like freebasing to a drug addict. You get it?
Mm-hmm.
They don't get it. So freebasing means I want my fix now. It goes straight into the veins. So does juicing. You want it now. So the benefit of juicing is nutrition. The green machine makes your eyes green.
Makes your eyes green.
It's going well.
I'm fully done.
This one actually looks so of all the drinks, this one, that's got the scrubbing bubbles in. Okay? For the heart. Carrot veggie. So the green machine. Now the green machine is now kind of a blend between smoothies and juices. But we do have something like a juice in there, and we also have something food. Even this green machine right here, we bring 16 ounces of this. This is 7 ounces. If you make 16 ounces of this in 1 day, you're getting more nutrition and micronutrients than the average American gets in 1 week. Okay? So, in fact, another way to look at it is, if you've seen the movie about juicing, you see how many big bowls it takes to make a little bit of juice. You're getting all that in you, and you really don't need to continue to consume food throughout the day when you have already everything you need. See? So you're also curbing another problem. The other problem is, simply put, gluttony. We all eat much more than our body needs. 3 meals a day. I'm not going to argue that we need 3 meals a day, but you can really get away with what? Of a meal, sitting down and eating. If you were just doing this, you wouldn't need all that other stuff. We got everything more nutritious in that drink than even when you sit down and eat that one meal. Okay? So, there you go. Oh, he's keeping count. Okay, any questions? Optimism. So, what's the difference? These sauce makes these drinks fresh, and both cows could be as much as 20 days old. Yeah. So that's very important. I mean, honestly, if you're traveling and you don't have many choices, I would still get the both house. But if you're not, and you have local store across the street, you got Winter Spirit,
Fresh.
and probably cheaper in the long run. So that's a big difference. Now, there's a whole discussion when you're dealing with fresh with the subject of enzymes. Have you guys talked about that? Okay. So when you eat or drink enzymes, so when you eat foods that have live enzymes, sometimes you refer to as raw food. You're eating it. If you're drinking it from juice, it's raw. It's raw. Raw is best. That's the ultimate. The ultimate is raw. The reason is we're getting all the available live enzymes. Now picture an enzyme like an atom, but it has this aura that is like many times bigger than its actual physical structure. And it's almost literally like that. You take this many enzymes in your gut, and your gut feels like there's this many. So already what I said earlier about gluttony, when you're eating raw food or drinking fresh juice, you're done. You don't need to keep going and going and going. When you're eating food that is the opposite, you know, like, you want more and more and more and more. And what's happening is your body doesn't know what to do with it. It converts it into not energy because it's not alive. Fat. Okay? Or it goes to the liver and it sits in the colon, or both. And those are all bad things. You don't want that. The whole purpose is to go through that cycle, which should only be anywhere from 6 to 24 hours. Right? Does that make sense? Live enzymes. So live enzymes. So this cup is enough live enzymes to fill you up. And I'm going to guess right now you're probably all pretty full right now. No? Are you accepting a challenge to take more, right? It is very filling. So, and what you're going to notice is you've got energy. If you don't have it right away, you'll have it at least within about 15 minutes. If you don't, consult a physician. No, just kidding. Or go ask the coach what's going on. But the reality is you may be detoxing. So when you're detoxing, the energy seems to go away because your body is working on actually trying to get rid of stuff that this drink or whatever you ate is helping to pull out. Okay? So, good question.
That was a great question.
Yeah.
But you can see that the fiber goes out in one direction and what's extracted goes out in the other. You can order and get everything from the delivery window if you were coming from school and you want to order and you figure out there you go, they have a drive-through window, you can do that, right? So they've been around for over 30 years here locally, and just about every community you go into, you're going to find mom and pop healthy place. Obviously every community has the big, large commercial stuff, but I think I've said it before, being healthy is like being a guppy going upriver. It's just not being free. Everywhere we go, everything's working against you, but every single community, if you just pull back the cover, you go, oh yeah, there's healthy food in every single community. So it's just, if you can do something like this once a week, you're helping yourself and help your parents, help your grandparents. And we are at the Nature's Food Market, enjoying a special day of tasting. And you guys have a wonderful day. Be healthy.
So yeah, that was Nature's Food Market. I haven't been vlogging in a long time, so I decided to. Hey, you can see me. Hi. I just noticed that. And I haven't been vlogging in a long time, and well, not in a long time. I haven't been vlogging in a while because I've been busy with college and stuff. So, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. And if you like this video, press the like button and click the subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. All right.